Hello, how are you? Today we have a list of very expensive cars over the world right now. Of course, we have the top 10 of most expensive cars over the world right now. Number 10 is called Bugatti Chiron Passport, which is sold by $3.6 million. Number 9 is called Lamborghini Shan, which is sold by 3.6 also. $3.6 million. Number 8 is called the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, which is sold for Lamborghini. Number 7 is called the Lamborghini Veveno, which is sold by $4.5 million. Koenigsegg Trivita, which is sold by Number 5 is Bugatti Divo, which is sold by $5.8 million. Number 4 is called Mercedes Maybach Exelero, which is sold by $8.0 million. Number 3 among of the most expensive cars is Bugatti Chirondiec, which is sold by $9.0 million. Okay. And number 2 is called Bugatti Lavognoir, which is sold by $18.7 million. Okay, the first expensive cars over the world right now is called Rolls-Royce Bottle, which is sold by $28.0 million. Is the most expensive car, which is sold by 28.0, and it is Rolls-Royce Bottle. Okay, these are the list of top 10 expensive cars over the world right now, so you can just mention in the comments below which is your favorite car, which is your dream car, and which car do you favor among of these all of these 10. Can you just mention in the comments below? Then I will reply your comment after seeing which is your dream car and which is your favorite car. Enjoy, and make sure you subscribe in this channel so that you can get each of my new video every day. Thank you for watching.